Hello everybody! Today we're going to open up a new big topic, which is going to be about modern methods of face rejuvenation. We are going to cover several procedures that you can do at a cosmetologist, covering the characteristics and contradictions. And today we're going to start off by talking about one of the most popular rejuvenation products, Botox. Botox is poison that was used in order to treat paralysis among children, and after that it gradually moved into cosmetology and plastic surgery. Many people are using Botox nowadays and they think it's safe. Of course, the dose of the product that is used in cosmetology is way less than in medicine, and this amount is only enough to relax the muscles around the place of injection. But the more it's researched, the more proofs there are that Botox is actually unsafe. First of all, Botox causes problems with skull bones. Secondly, once injected, it spreads around, causing damage of the molecules that are responsible for transmitting the neural impulse. As a result, you get less wrinkles for 3 to 4 months, but you break down your cells by poison. And now let's talk about side effects. For some people, they start getting headaches after the Botox injection. It is also possible to get an asymmetric face because your muscles are not gonna be equally relaxed, which can cause a weird smile or even problems with swallowing. If you inject Botox in between your eyebrows, some of it can get into the upper eyelid. The muscles will freeze and it will stay half closed for 3 to 4 months. And this will be paired with overly dried eyes. Another side effect that you can get as a result of overcorrected forehead muscles are droopy eyelids. All of those side effects are listed on the product, but not every cosmetologist is going to inform you about those. And now let's talk about the causes of side effects. First one being the cosmetologist's mistake, choosing the wrong dose or place of injection. Secondly is uninformed patient. For example, about the rules you should follow before and after. And last but not least, low quality of the substance, which, as you can remember, is a poison. Therefore, before going for Botox, please go through every pro and con of the product. But my personal recommendation would be to get more informed about the ways your face is being deformed and use the preventive methods. Our channel has a lot of information that you can use in order to prevent aging. Take care of your back and body posture since it's the basis of your body. Eat clean and drink water. Stay in a positive mood so that negative emotions would not touch your face. And smile as much as you can. And now I want to show you a technique of myofascial muscle release. It's very simple but very effective. For this technique, you are going to need a rubber ball. This technique helps you to loosen and relax your muscles very well. The most contracted parts of your face are your forehead, the zone between your eyebrows, chewing muscles, depressor muscles, and nasolabial triangle. As I said, the technique is very simple. You just need to roll the ball along the muscle fibers. Moving along your forehead, you can also do circular motions. Pay attention to the area between your eyebrows and eyebrow ridges. Rolling the ball along the eyebrow ridge, releasing the tension in the muscles. And now work on the circular eye muscle. For that, take a smaller ball. With the fingers of one hand, lift the end of your eyebrow up and roll the ball up and down along the muscle. And now working on the nasolabial fold, forming an oval shape with your mouth and rolling the ball up and down along the muscle fibers. And now let's work on the chewing muscle, which is the most contracted muscle of your face. Have your mouth half opened and roll the ball along the muscle. And now let's work on the depressor muscles that bring corners of your lips down. Take a ball of smaller diameter and roll it along the triangular muscle. This complex helps you to loosen and relax your face muscles very well. You can do it 2 to 3 times a week. If you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell in order to follow all of our latest videos.
Я обязательно сниму видео на эту тему.